Welcome to today's cooking video. Today we are going to make an easy coleslaw dressing that you can make at home with stuff you probably already have. So to start with, to make the dressing, you're going to use mayonnaise. So you can use a half a cup of fat-free mayonnaise. So you want to use your mayonnaise. And then secondly, you're going to use a vinegar. And today we're using red wine vinegar. You just need a tablespoon of it. So you'll use red wine vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. And then the last thing is celery seed. So we'll be adding some celery seed to that to add some flavor. So first we'll just start with adding our mayonnaise to the bowl. Next we will add a tablespoon of our vinegar. So once again, this is red wine vinegar and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of it. Next, we will add our celery seed. And for the celery seed, we're just going to be adding a small amount, so it's 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I have a half a teaspoon here, so I'll fill it about halfway. Celery seed, and then you want to mix it really well. So now mix everything. And you can put this on top of a variety of different vegetables, but today we're doing it with making coleslaw, so we're going to use cabbage. You can use red or green cabbage or a mixture of both. You can use bell peppers, red onion, carrots. All of those are great ingredients to mix into your coleslaw. In this bowl right here I have white cabbage, red cabbage, and some carrots. So you'll mix your dressing up really good until it looks like this, and then you can taste it and make sure you like it, or if you want to add more vinegar, you can do all of those things. And then you're just going to put it on your coleslaw and you've got an easy coleslaw dressing. I hope you guys try this.